Hello, my name is Yusuf and this is CS50 Web Project for Commerce. You can see here is the active listing page where you can see all the active listings. You can also create one. Let's say the title is mouse, description gaming mouse, starting bid $100, and the image URL. I have this image. And this and the category is electronics. So submit. Here is the listing I just added. Here you can see the title. I can close the auction because I am the creator of this product. Here is the description price, the one who created it, and you can see here I can add it to watch list and also comments here. So let's start with the bid. If I added a bid that is less than current price, let's say $50. Let's say $50. It will give me a warning. Your bid must be higher than the highest bid. If I place a bid that is higher than the highest bid, let's say $200, I get your the highest bidder right now. I can also comment on the product. Let's say hello. See here is the comment. I can add it. I can add this product to the watch list. Add it to watch list. I can add another product. Let's say here iPhone 13. It is already added to the watch list. Can go to the headset and add it to watch list. Go to the watch list here, and I can see all my watch list. I can remove them to say iPhone 13. Remove from watch list. I go to the watch list, and here you can see it is removed. And as the creator of this product, I can close the auction from it. I can close auction, and you can see it is no longer in here. If I go to the closed listings, I can see these things cars. So and here is the product I just closed. I go to the product, and you can see here you are the winner of this auction. And I can also filter all the listings to a specific category. Let's say I want to filter it or just the electronics. You can see here is the iPhone 13 and the headset. I can also go to the tools. You can see the hammer. And if I try to filter listings with the specific categories that are closed, you can see there is no listings right now. Here is the admin page. You can see comments, listings, users, watch lists. If I go to the comments, I can see all the comments. I can edit them. I specify the user, that is a foreign key, on the listings, on the listing which has that one comment. Here is the listings model. You can see I have the owner, the title, the description, starting bid, image URL, and the category, the highest bidder. And I have this boolean field is closed to know what if the listing is closed or not. And the users here you can see them on the watch list. You can see I add the user I want to home field on the listings. You can see the listing, the user they have, and that's it. This is the CS50 project for commerce.